What's up everyone? Jake and I are playing today on our 12-foot Boston whaler. All of our past videos that we've been on the boat have primarily been on our 20-foot Panga. Our Boston whaler has been out of commission for a while just because we've been using the Panga so much. So Jake has done a bunch of work on this engine and we are at a new spot today that neither of us have been to before. We're gonna try and see if we can get some fish. We've got our fly rods in the boat today and yeah, just check out a new spot, ripping our little whaler around. So hopefully we run into some cool stuff.
They get bigger from here.
I'm in this little cave.
Nice.
Just goes by. Cute. So we've got our boat loaded down. We've got extra fuel. We've got wading boots. We've got a cooler filled with lunch, a little waterproof case, backpack just in case. We brought 3 fly rods that are down there. And we've brought our good attitudes.
That's right.
On the noodle.
SS Noodle. Today we're riding out in the old Boston whaler. It's been in the family for like 15 years probably. Long time. Seen a lot, been through a lot, but good boat. Can't sink it, can beat it up.
We have seen some bonefish so far, so signs of life. They've been a little too far for us to get a shot, but hopefully soon we'll have something. Wow, it's so pretty! Just like you.
Wow.
If only there was a bonefish over the sand. Okay, so we've continued to drive down this coast just looking for fish, and now we've came to some really cool rock structures. Look how cool this is. It's like a cliff. You could almost jump off of it if it was high tide. New spot.
Well, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go down the bluffs and cast at all the dark spots and all the stuff that we see in the water with this big fly.
Okay.
Oh, rip, go, strip.
What was that?
I don't know, cast again, this next rock. Couldn't really tell. Good shot. You want to cast at these rocks up here? So they look really good. You want me to cast them?
You can. Tight! He's tight! He got something! What do you think it is? A snappy?
Oh, it's a nice little, you're gonna be pissed.
A mutton?
First mutton of the day.
Yeehaw! Nice!
It's our first mutton of the day. Hopefully they get bigger from here.
First fish in the boat. And he's out of the boat. Yeah, hopefully we can catch some more.
Wow.
Look at the cave. Okay, since Jake caught his mutton, we decided to take a little break, eat a snack, and come into one of these little lagoons that we found. It's so sandy. Look how pretty it is, and I am playing in the water and climbing on these rocks. And I thought I'd take you with me. I did have my shoes, luckily, because these rocks are not forgiving. Ah! Dun, dun, dun. Jake, this is so cool. Continuing down this alleyway, and look, it's all standing water. This is wild. Rock formations? Crazy. Look at this crevice. I feel like I'm in a canyon, but I'm in the Bahamas. Look at this cave! I'm inside the cave! Marco! It's crazy. I wonder if the light will adjust. It's so dark in here. It's like 10 degrees cooler in this cave. I see a snappy. Do you see the snapper? I think that's a little mangrove snapper. How cool! I'm in this little cave. That's where I just came out of. Wow, isn't that so cool? I hope you enjoyed my cave experience. I'm gonna go grab a snack and then we'll be back to fishing.
Keep stripping. Morgan's tight. Keep stripping. Pull him right. Pull him right. Nice mutton.
Do I let him run?
No, just keep stripping.
Oh my god!
Nice.
Do I strip him all the way in?
Try to, yeah. Okay, reel some line. Just pinch with your fingers and reel. Okay, swing him down to me. Give me the line, Morgan. Give me the line. Hold this.
I caught him in! I'm flying! Wow! Look at him! Babe, look at him! Oh my god! Yay!
Nice.
Hell yeah! Oh, I'm fired up!
Yeah.
I am so stoked. My very first mutton on fly. I've caught them a lot on spinning rods and I've shot them, but never on fly. This was so awesome. Gonna take the fly out and let him go. If I can take the fly out. Gonna let him go.
Goodbye.
There he goes. Wow! I'm so excited. That was awesome.
Good job.
Let's go catch some more.
Damn, that was alive right there.
Okay, we shifted gears a little bit. We came away from those rocks and cliff structures and we came back to the flats. Put my little wading boots on and hopefully we can find ourselves some bonefish. Look what I found. A starfish. How cute. Back to bone fishing.
Barracuda, no wire.
Oh no, he's right there.
Where?
Oh, no. Ah, he's going straight for me. Look at him go.
Whee! Leader.
Nice cuda on fly.
No wire leader.
Nope, just the
Look
fly.
at that.
Nice spawning shrimp. Okay, hook is out. Bye, buddy. He's mad.
Nice shot.
Oh, perfect cast on this bonefish. Oh, he tailed. Perfect eat. Nice.
What a fucking eat.
Wow. Oh,
Around the stick?
around the stick. No. How cool. Third species of the day. Wow, what a cool eat.
That was such a cool eat. Nice bone.
Nice job. That's a beautiful one. Hey, buddy. Beautiful bone. Goodbye.
Morgan, we're the third species of the day. Coming in for a landing.
Hello. Hello, buddy. flies out. Say goodbye to our little buddy.
He's gone.
Goodbye. Nice. That was awesome. Third fish of the day. All right, we came back to the boat. That was an epic day. I'm so excited that we got all those fish, exploring a new area. We had so much fun. Sometimes new areas don't always produce, but today it did. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.